Yo, 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 guys, what's up?
Geht die Werbung auf die Nerven? Willst du in Ruhe
Need to see if everything is working, because I have no idea. Is my sound working? Need to see if everything is working. Yeah, looks like it's working. Let's see, I'm getting dumped on, boys. But I'm getting dumped and pumped. Those trades are from Friday. This Tesla short got stopped, which is fine. And now the long is printing. And NQ is almost at take profit, but it's dumping now. And today we will see if we get another trade in. And I hope everything is working. If chat is working, I don't know. I have no idea. But it should work. Quickly updating the group that my short has got stopped and the long is running. What's up, the radio? What up, what up? This one got stopped. Now we just hope the long will take profit. Will hit take profit and then I'm happy. Because one win, one loss. What does that mean, guys? It means profit. I mean, it would be already in profit, but I still want the full take profit target. And now we will look for new trades, guys. It's New York Open time. That means we can try to make some bread, you know? First, let's delete those analysis things from Friday. I hope this trade is just running currently. It's risk-free. We entered on Friday afternoon. And Tesla long is running. Short just got stopped, but that's all good. And yeah, we will see if we add some positions today. Crypto is doing nothing really. It's chilling. Bitcoin is at the area where I marked out on my X posts. Ethereum is above this. If we close above this, could be nice for some pullback longs. Let's check it. Let's check it. Tesla is sending. Let's go, please. Take profit. Come on. NQ is dumping. What's up, Mafuk Alarm? Welcome. What up, guys? First YouTube live stream. Just making sure everything is working. Because I'm gonna do one every week now. Okay, let's start to look at Tesla. First, we have to wait a few more minutes until the opening range is formed. But for now, this is the bottom, this is the top. And now we have to wait the next candle close until 45. Then we can decide. We set alarms, what's gonna happen. And on NQ, same thing. First, let's analyze market structure on NQ. Starting from just here. Oh, wrong. From here, we have this impulse to the upside, downside. Upside. I will go into detail in a minute. And upside, so it's just a bullish market, guys. Mamma mia, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Oh, sorry, my alarm is ringing that it's time to work. Work time. Is this cam okay? Whoa. Yeah. This is the current market structure, guys. As you know, 2 candle rule. We only have 1 down candle. So that means this is not a valid leg. It's all 1 leg because we only have 1 down candle and we need 2 consecutive down candles. Right here, we have 2 up candles. We have only 1 down candle, so no leg. Here we have 2 down candles. So this is a leg. Here we have 2 down candles, but the second down candle is inside of the first one. So that's also not valid. The second candle also needs to be outside of the first candle. So that means this is not a valid leg. And it's 1 leg to the upside. Here we have 2 down candles again. Here we have 2 up candles. Only 1 down candle, only 1 down candle. So this is all 1 big leg to the upside. And that means we shifted structure bearish right here. And currently market is bearish because we closed 1 candle below and we also closed a second candle below. That means structure is bearish. Now let's see. Top of my range 1530 is this one, and we have to wait 4 more minutes for the second for this third candle, because those 3 candles 1530, 35 and 40, they define my opening range, and I need to wait until this range is created. And after that, we will decide what we will do, guys. We will see if we get some trades. On Tesla, same thing. I'll actually take a little profit right here on this one. Just updating the group that I'm taking a little profit, because yeah, things can go down south pretty quick, and it's up 1.2 hours, so that's fine to take some profit. What's up, uplifting music? Welcome to the stream. So yeah, I took off 50% on Friday's longs right here, because yeah, I just want to lock some in. The short got stopped. And now here we only have 0.2% at risk with this stop loss, and we took off 50% at 1.2R. That means we are chilling, And now we wait for the opening range to get created, and then we see what scenarios we can get today. If we can get some trades in. And yeah, it's opening range is getting created right now. And then we will check. We will check the probabilities for today, what we have. Okay, now opening range is created, guys. That means we have this low right here, 1530 to 1545, high of the range, low of the range. And now we are seeing market is bearish as we analyzed earlier. And what does that mean for my system now? If we close below the range low, I will take a short instantly because market is bearish. I will take a short at the range low, stop at range high, and target 1.5R. This would be the short for today. But we always have a different scenario as well, because we're not telling the future, guys. We are reacting on the outcome of the market or reacting on price action. So what does need to happen here so we shift back to bullish? We need to obviously break this high. So the second scenario for today would be if we would not close below here, if we would close above with 2 candle closes. Right here we only need 1 candle close because market is already bearish, so we don't need to wait for a structure shift. And if we get above the range high, we need 2 candle closes above this high. So 1 candle and another candle needs to close above here. Then market shifts back to bullish, and that gives me the long trigger, and then I would long the range high, stop at the range low, and also target 1.5R into the other side. And now we just need to react. What happens first, guys? Today we have a clean we have clean price action, so if we close above range high, that automatically means we are shifting structure back to bullish, so my short scenario would be valid. Or we are already bearish right now. If we close below, I would take the short. Further below, as you can see, we pumped pretty hard. We have lots of liquidity down below. My target would be those lows right here. Those align with my take profit targets with the 1.2. 1.2 is the break-even point, 1.5 is the full TP. And bear in mind, I'm also still in this long from Friday, but it's break-even, so this trade is set break-even. And now we are waiting for the market to give us more opportunities. And as I mentioned, both scenarios are on the table today. We could short or we could long, depending on what comes first on this chart. Because I collected data on my system, I have lots of data, I know my win rate, and I know if this scenario happens, if we shift structure and we are above the range high, that means there is a 50% chance that this move will happen. And vice versa, I know that if we close below here, market is already bearish, as you can see, market structure shift happened, then there's a 50% scenario that this scenario will happen. There's a 50% chance that this will happen. So with my data that I have on my system, I can react on the market. I don't need to tell the future, guys. It's very important. Lots of people think that traders need to predict the future, but we don't predict the future. Some tell you they do, but we don't predict the future. We just have probabilities on the charts and we play those probabilities and they will play out over the long term, guys. If you have a data-backed system. And on Tesla, same thing. Friday long is almost at full take profit, and if we close now above this range high, I will take another long. If we close above, because we have the data and we know that this scenario is likely to happen. 50% chance with the 1.5R. If you win 50% of the trades with 1.5R, you all know that's profit. So yeah, let's see, in 15 seconds we are closing, and then I will market enter in this long because it's valid. And I'm also sending it into the group. And this trade is valid, guys. We are sending it up. And now let's see if Friday's long hits take profit. That would be very nice. This trade is from Friday. Of course, I sent it out live. I can actually show you. Oh, it was from Thursday, actually. Was it? Thursday, yes. Thursday, where is it? Is it this one? Yes, it's this one. And that's how I sent this signal out, guys, as you can see. And we are almost there. Almost. Come on. Give me that little push. Yeah, I'm just closing it right here. It's 1.6 hour up. That's fine. I'm fine with that. Updating the group. I'm closing this trade. Always updating live. So the long is done. And now we are in this add-on long. We will see if the probabilities will play out. And Q is still in the range. So in Q we need to wait for some direction first. If we close above range high, I will take a long, as I mentioned already. I will actually also set alarms, because I don't want to stare at the chart 24/7. And Tesla is running. We won a lot of trades lately, so we are in for a loss, I think, but I don't know. And Q is pretty strong. I want it to go above here, and then I'll take the long on NQ, and I would also take profit on my Friday long. That would be sick as well. You don't look crypto. I am looking crypto, but I will first analyze this, and after we are done, I will look at crypto. My crypto analysis is on my X page. I sent it out, and we will have a look soon. I'm just making sure I finished everything on the NQ and Tesla. Very nice. We took profit now on this Friday long. No, it was on Thursday. We hit full take profit on this one. NQ from Friday, I just also shaved off 50%, sent it out into the group live, and yeah, basically if this one goes wrong, we will be overall in good profits. And on NQ we are just waiting for this to happen. If this happens, I will take a long on NQ as well. Okay, crypto. We are looking at Ethereum from my analysis on X. We are currently above here. We have one more hour for this 4-hour candle to close. Then we have two nice candle closes above this high. That means we are shifting structure on the 4-hour. Then I don't take any more shorts on Ethereum, but I will rather long pullbacks. But first we need to close this candle, and then Ethereum looks very nice. For longs, we have lots of highs This green high is an earlier goal of mine ultimately, but for now, if we close this 4-hour candle above, I'll probably take a long. Depending on where we close, I might market enter half and limit order half, but this is a very nice R. Monu Pandey, what's up? Trade Ethereum. What do you think about Ethereum, bro? Handy enough, I just explained it. This is my Ethereum plan. But we need to be patient. We need to first close this 4-hour candle above here. Above this high, this candle closes in 1 hour. If this closes, I'm taking pullback longs on Ethereum for higher targets. Where do you trade NQ? I trade NQ on capital.com. That's my broker of choice. ML Basic, what's up? So Ethereum looks nice for pullback longs if this candle closes like this. If this candle for some reason closes back below here, we could try shorts if we shift structure on the lower time frame. If we close this candle back in this range, I would go on the M15 and wait for a close below here on the M15, then I would take shorts. But I don't know, I feel like this candle closes above. So if it closes above, I'm taking longs. Higher time frame trend is up then. With higher time frame, I mean 4 hour. But 12 hour is up as well. Oh no, it's not actually, but just the 4 hour is enough for me to take a risk on this. I took a long on Bitcoin at 90k, aiming for 90.7. Is it possible? Let's see. Oh, you are way on the lower time frame. My Bitcoin outlook for now is you took a long at 90k, so right here. For me, this is bullish until we break this. Everything above here is looking good for longs, depending where your stop loss is. $90.7k is on the table, yes. But it's a very lower time frame trade, so it's risky. But until this high breaks, I will take shorts actually if we break below here. Because I want the 4 hour to reclaim this. And if we're not reclaiming it, like right here, we are having a swing failure pattern. If we close below in the range, switch structure on the lower time frame, I will take shorts. No problem, ML Basic and Manik. No problemo. Yeah, we're looking weak. I think Tesla is not looking good today. But it's all good. We made nice profits with the Friday and Thursday longs. So we are in for a loss. As I mentioned, it's always a 50-50. And losses are part of the game, guys. As long as you win more when you win and you lose less when you lose, that's perfect. The hardest thing is you have to get fine with losing. because nobody wins all his trades, you know. But if Ethereum closes like this, it's looking very nice for some pullback longs. Solana is ugly. I don't like Solana. Doge could be. Doge is looking not that bad also. I need 2 closes above here, then I would also consider longs. I follow you on Twitter. Thank you, man. Thank you, Manik. But our focus is on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Not looking good on Tesla. Not looking good. Ooh, my Doge long is sending. Come on, boy. Yeah, those are the scenarios for today, guys. I'm streaming now for 45 minutes. And I will wrap it up now, because I have a live stream for the trading group in 1 hour, and I need to eat something. This was just a little test stream, you know. Next year on, we will stream every Monday at the same time. Taking live trades every day. No, not every day, every Monday. Monday. Does anyone have questions, guys, still? If you have questions, let me know in the chat. If not, then we will wrap it up. And I'm glad y'all joined the live stream. Very happy to have some people right here. But yeah, the scenarios are laid out for today. Now we just have to wait and be patient. So yeah, as I mentioned also, if NQ gets below here, I will take the short. That would be a good thing against my Tesla long that's going wrong right now. But it's all good. We know the 50-50 chances. Okay, guys, if there are no more questions, I'm gonna wrap it up. Make sure every Monday, same time, 15:30 Central Eastern, or no, Central European time, every day, or every Monday, New York Open, we will live stream. Thanks all for joining, guys. I will see you next week. And yeah, follow me on Twitter and on YouTube. And yeah, peace. Have a nice day.